it's here, it's here, it's here. Oh, at last. I am so excited.
Ah, the portrait's arrived.
I'm so nervous.
Open it, open it.
Okay.
Oh, that doesn't really look like you. I think that's a fail.
I don't know. I'm pretty satisfied.
Hi everyone, Shauna Kim Christopher here.
Hey, how you going? It's great to see you again. Kimberly,
Yes,
do you know what a building and pest is?
of course I do. When you're purchasing a home in Queensland, the Standard Law Society contract for house and residential land holds several consumer protections. One in particular is a building pest clause.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. This basically allows the buyer to place an offer on a home and secure a contract knowing if a fault occurs, or they find a fault in the building during the check by a building and pest specialist, they can exit a contract without penalty or without therefore jeopardising their deposit.
Of course, this doesn't apply to auctions as they're unconditional sales, so there's no building and pest clause protection if you purchase under an auction condition.
Too true. Now, clause 4.1 of the 16th edition of the contract notes in part, this contract is conditional upon the buyer obtaining a written building report from a licensed building inspector and a written pest report from a licensed pest inspector, which could be one and the same, that's fine, on the property by the inspection date on terms satisfactory to the buyer.
Now, there's a few points that we need to note here. The building and pest inspectors need to be licensed. If you engage someone who's not licensed, including friends and relatives, they don't comply with the clause. If an issue is discovered, you may not be able to exit the contract without default. So getting dad to come and kick the tires just won't help you here.
No. Now, secondly, the clause notes terms satisfactory to the buyer. Satisfactory being the key word. This is why when people ask us, hey, they go, oh, did it pass the building and pest? Did it fail? Well, there is no pass or fail. It's a matter of the buyer being satisfied.
That's why you can buy a house without a roof or no windows or in really bad condition. If the buyer accepts the home as is, then they are considered satisfied and the clause satisfied too. Of course, there may be legal requirements on a buyer to remedy certain issues once the purchase of the home's gone through. But that again is up to them.
Yes, and also you must act reasonably. And remember, this clause is a consumer protection, not a negotiation tool.
And please note, there are other conditions relating to a building and pest which need to be understood. So you should always consider the full clause in its entirety and always seek a legal opinion from your lovely legal professional if you're unsure of any aspects of a contract.
True. Now, look, we hope this has been of help and given you a better understanding of the building and pest clause and how it applies to your situation.
If you'd like to find out any information or ask us a question, pop it down below and we'll come back to you, or reach out to us on any of our social media channels. We'll be uploading a video every week, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see that.
Kim, that sounds like a plan.
We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Is there anyone in there?
Hey, so glad you found me. Hey, look, do you know if they've got any shower caps here? Because I didn't bring any product with me today, and I really want to, don't want to get it flat. And I was supposed